Hello, my name is Eluru Alexander, and I am an Android developer with half a decade year of experience building solid Android applications in the fintech space. Today, I'll be speaking briefly on Android notification channels. Before I dive deeper, here are a few things that I think you need to be familiar with before I proceed. You should have a basic understanding of how to use Android Studio. You should be familiar with Kotlin, at least on a basic level, and you should have a basic understanding of how notifications work on Android. What is a notification? A notification is a message the Android system displays outside of your app's UI to provide the user with reminders, communications from other people, or other timely information from your app. An app could have multiple kinds of notifications, like a download progress notification, a message, or even a reminder. Here is a visual representation of what a notification looks like on Android. So basically, the prompt you get when you receive a message from a social media app like Facebook, WhatsApp, is what you call a notification. The same one you also receive when you trigger a download, you trigger a download from the Play Store, or you trigger an update of an app or the Play Store. The progress you get on the notification center of your app is what you call a notification. What is a notification channel? The concept of the notification channel was introduced in 2017 during the release of the Android Oreo. The goal of this was to be able to better organize notifications by putting them into channels or groups. A notification channel is, in simple terms, a notification grouping system on Android that grants more control to developers over the notifications they send and users more control over the notifications that they see. Take YouTube, for instance. YouTube has several notification channels for subscriptions, live streams, comments. The list goes on and on. The YouTube app receives or sends various kinds of notifications, all of which are expected to fall under any of these categories. Depending on whichever category it falls under, I, as a user, can decide to go into the settings and tweak the default settings of those channels. For instance, I can choose to hide or mute the sound from the subscription channels, and that would be reflected for every notification that falls in that channel. Let's take a look at the code and how it's implemented. First, we need to create a notification channel, and to do that, we will need a notification channel ID. We will need the title of that notification, and we will need the priority of that notification, which we will be getting from the notification manager. Going back to what I said about the notification title, the notification channel's title, whatever we set in the notification channel title will be what will be displayed in the notification settings of our app. Going back to the example we used with YouTube, we have subscriptions, live stream, comments and replies, recommendations, product updates, lock screen, media controls, feedback, and the list goes on and on. The titles we can find on the notification settings are basically the titles that have been sent into the notification channel at the point of creating that notification channel. We will then pass in the channel that has been created into the notification manager create notification channel function. We will then take the notification channel that has been created by the notification manager and pass in the ID to the notification. This ID is what the Android system uses to determine the category or the channel to put various notifications when they are received. Then we'll pass in that notification into our notification manager's notify function, and we're good to go. That will be all.